7th graders, this is day 2 of your Gravity and Light Plant Growth Lab. Today we're going to be focusing on light after we finish up kind of our day 1 results. Okay, so you guys might have been here for day 1, and if that's the case, you can definitely just talk to your partner. Maybe they saved your seeds from day 1, or you guys can check their assignment and kind of copy down what they did for their data, or if you really wanted to, there is a video on the next slide that shows the results of the ones that I set up for these videos, so you're more than welcome to use that as your data as well. Okay, so your guys' learning targets for day 2. I can design an experiment to test and collect evidence about the location of a light source and how it affects the direction of a plant's growth. So day 1, we definitely focused in on gravity and how it influences the growth of roots. Today, we're going to look at light and how it influences the growth of the stems of a plant. Okay, so go ahead, let's start our bell ringer. Your bell ringer is going to be your results from day 1. So again, if you had a partner, you can chat with them and kind of get the results from them, or you guys can go ahead and just use the video up in the upper right hand corner for those results. Okay, so what you guys are going to do is you're going to draw your seeds, so either the seeds that I oriented in the results or the ones that you guys did in class, and then you guys are going to draw the actual results of what happened to those seeds, so the stem and the root. Again, you guys can kind of color coordinate those. You guys can do the stem in green, and then you can do the root in like black or something else, whatever other color you want to use to represent a root. So draw the direction of those 4 seeds, how they were oriented, and then draw your actual growth. Okay, think about this too. Which one's the stem and which one's the root, and how do you know? Okay, look at how they are so different in their appearance. So you're going to draw that, and then you're going to answer these questions about it. Describe what you notice about the direction of growth of the stems and the roots. So tell me a little bit about the stems, tell me a little bit about the roots, and explain what you think this shows about the investigative question. Does gravity affect the direction of a plant's growth? So did you notice a difference between which way the stem was growing, which way the root was growing? And again, keep in mind that we didn't have any light in this cupboard the whole time we let these seeds grow. We had the same amount of water, we had the same nutrients, so all of these other things were kept as constant. So that kind of leaves us with gravity. Can you actually say that gravity allows the stems to grow up and the roots to grow down? Okay, and then finally, answer this question. How do you think the stem of a plant knows to grow upward? List as many ideas you can think of. So this is again kind of how we started day 1 as well. So you guys should be able to kind of brainstorm 4 to 5 different ideas that kind of suggest that a stem grows upward because. Okay, what are some ideas? Okay, so take a second, pause this video, and complete your bell ringer on slides 10, 11, and 12. And when you guys are done, you can come on back to this video. Okay? So your guys' light setup's a little bit different, and you guys will have to watch the video again to kind of see what we change between each setup, what we're going to observe or record, and what you guys will keep the same for every setup. So obviously if you guys were in class for day 2, which you're not, okay, you guys got to decide these things, but since you guys are doing this from home, you guys will have to go to slide 14, open up this video here, and watch it to see, all right, this is what we were actually kind of investigating in this assignment, okay? This is what we're changing. This is what we're going to leave the same. So this is the video you want to go to watch. Okay, and then you can go back and kind of answer these 3 questions, and then you guys can draw and label a diagram of your investigation. Really, you guys are going to have 2 drawings in here. You guys are going to have the picture of your cup within the box, and then you want to kind of show where the light is and show where your hole is, and then you're going to also have the cup that went in the windowsill. So you'll draw your sun. You can just basically draw that cup to show how what you guys think is going to happen there. Okay, and then your exit ticket, predict what do you think will happen. So remember, you kind of have 2 different predictions here. What's going to happen to the one that's just plain in the cup in front of the window? What's going to happen to the one in the box that has the little hole in it? And then on your slide 14 diagram, use a green draw tool to draw what you think your plant growth will look like. So go ahead, come back to slide 14. You guys have your setup. Now grab a green draw tool and draw kind of what you guys think is going to happen to your growth of your plant. Okay, so once you guys have that done, you guys are done with day 2. Again, you won't turn this in because we still have day 3 to do. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.